Hey guys, it's Wes. I am the drunken musician. I have been spending the last 5 years figuring out how to market my music on a shoestring budget. It's just kind of how I operate. I'm cheap. I'm tight. I have 10 brutally honest, low-cost marketing hacks that work and have been working for me so far. No, I'm not Taylor Swift. I'm not blowing it up like Ed Sheeran or anything like that. But I'm doing okay. And I think these things will help you if you have a shoestring budget. These are all organic. So why should you listen to me? I just told you, man. Come on. Really? If you're ready to cut through the BS and learn a little something, stick around. And at the end, I've got a little bonus hack for you. First thing you need to be doing, once you upload some music through your distributor and it hits the airwaves in Spotify and iTunes, is curate your own playlist. It's a no-brainer. It doesn't cost you a thing to do that. So curate your own list, and here's what you need to do, and this is very important. Make sure the other songs from other artists on there are similar to you in genre. When I curate my playlist for the marketing side of things, every artist on there is similar to me. And if you don't know what your genre is, then I suggest you go out. There's a couple of websites, and I'll put them in the comments below where you can go, and AI will tell you which artists are most similar to you. And you save that information because that comes up later. Hack number 2, document your creative journey, man. You need content to market. And one of the hardest things for us to do as musicians is we go through this grueling process of creating this art, and then we've got to market it. And we don't want to market it. We just want to create. Well, be creative. Document your creative process. While you're writing the song, video it for Reels and for TikTok and stuff like that. And that way, you have content to market what you're doing. Number 3, collaborative outreach, man. Reach out to micro-influencers or other emerging artists and offer to do a collaboration. I have found great success, several thousand additional streams to what I would normally have by collaborating with a dude in England. My most recent release, as of the airing of this video, was with a guy in England. He wrote the lyrics, I wrote the music, I sang, produced, and put it out. I've collaborated with artists in Australia, with a dude in Colorado, a guy in Macon, Georgia. You collaborate with these artists, and let me tell you why and how this is great. They share it with their audience, which is not your audience, and you share it with yours, and it helps both of you. It's a win-win for both you and the artist you're collaborating with, because you are introduced to their fan base and they are introduced to your fan base, and you share a fan base. And you don't have to be selfish with your fan base. Your fan base is going to go out and listen to stuff that's different than what you play anyway. Number 4, be active in online communities. Engage in music forums, subreddits, Discord channels. Share your process, ask for feedback, and casually drop your music. Don't spam it. That's crying for attention. It's like, look at me. Don't do that. Share naturally, just like you would in a conversation. If you're talking to a dude and he says, hey man, listen to my tune, you just say, hey man, will you return the favor and listen to my tune? Give me some pointers. Give me your idea and feedback. Play localized shows. Play locally. Do virtual shows. Do a streaming thing on a Tuesday night when folks are usually at home or just hanging out. Go out and play live. I can't stress that, man. You make more fans and more loyal fans by going out playing live. On your breaks, go around and introduce yourself and meet people. I can't tell you how many fans I've made by doing that for my music. And I have guitar picks with a QR code on them, and I give those out to people who come to shows that are interested. I don't force it on anybody. If they say, man, that was your original song, I really like that. Well, cool, man, check out my other stuff. You can have this guitar pick, scan that QR code. That did cost me money. I think I paid $80 for a bag of 400 picks or something. Well worth it. Go play live. I mean that. Go play live. Don't just make music in your basement and expect to blow up. Get out and meet people, man. And don't be scared of feedback. Our skins are paper thin as musicians, and we are scared to death somebody's going to be honest with you. But you want that, because you don't want to put shit out there that you think's great and it sucks. Do music challenges. This is hack number 7. interactive music challenges and encourage people to cover or remix your tracks. Use a unique hashtag, and it's a brilliant way to get your music out there without needing a PR budget. Just say, hey man, I would love to hear covers of this song. And I've got a new song coming out called Mansplain, which is hilarious, by the way, because I'm a funny guy. I'm fat, I've got to be funny. And this is one of the methods I'm going to use to market it. Number 8, user-generated content incentives. It's kind of like number 7, but a little different. Incentivize user-generated content. Offer shout-outs. If you've got T-shirts made or some sort of merch, offer a free T-shirt for the best one. These tactics turn new listeners into active promoters. And in all reality, back in the day when the Beatles cut an album or Elvis came out, the way people heard about new music was getting an album, a physical thing, and going to somebody's house and saying, hey, dude, you got to check this dude out. He's awesome. Well, it's very similar now, except it's streaming and it's a lot easier access. And you say, hey, man, you're riding with a buddy and he asks you, have you heard of Wes Herndon? Man, I like this dude. He's got this raspy voice. He's kind of funny. He's got this bluesy thing going on. Check him out. Your best salespeople are the people who like your music. Ask them to do that and incentivize it. Number 9, engage with niche online communities. Now, this is kind of similar to what we discussed earlier, but you get involved in these online communities, and by niche, I mean go find independent music communities and ask questions, learn things. Obviously, you want your product to be the best it can possibly be, and the way you do that is by learning, and that helps you improve your product, and by product, I mean your music, if you're not picking up what I'm laying down. And collaborate and ask folks, say, hey man, check out my song if you don't mind, and give me some feedback on it. What would you do differently to EQ the vocals? I can't get this guitar to stand out, or this beat seems weak. What should I do to make this better? And you create more friendships and more collaborations, and it's really cool stuff, man. So I highly recommend that. Number 10, look, there are free ways to do this, but a do-it-yourself digital press kit. Now, you've heard of an EPK. That's an electronic press kit. So a digital press kit includes information about you. It includes information about your most recent music. It has a bio, photos of you, streaming links, videos that you've created. And then you send that out to bloggers, indie magazines, podcasters, and possibly even playlisters. Don't pay for playlisters, by the way. Don't use Groover and Submit Hub. It's a fucking scam. And I've got another video on it that you can follow my channel and see. It's fucking bullshit. Excuse my language. Or don't. I don't give a shit. That's 10 brutally honest marketing hacks for indie artists. Bonus hack. Go out there and post something every day, and don't be scared of pissing off your friends and family. Guess what? There are 100 people out there that will see your reels on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts that have never met you before. And also, take pride in what you do. Believe in what you do. Don't be scared, man. Keep it real. Stay raw. Like and subscribe if you got something out of this. And I will see you next time on The Drunken Musician. God bless you.